Hello everyone, myself Shumona Udhikari. I am from Tintin's classes group. Today the topic of our discussion is PAN or Protected Area Network. So what is protected area? A protected area is a clearly defined geographical space recognized, dedicated and managed through legal or other effective means to achieve the long-term conservation of nature and its ecosystem. So there are mainly four kinds of protected area, which are national park, sanctuary, conservation reserve and community reserve. What are national park? It is an area of land or sea or freshwater protected by the state government to protect its wildlife and the environment, like Jim Corbett National Park. What is wildlife sanctuary? It is also a protected area which is also conserved by the government, but there are some differences between national park and sanctuary which will be discussed later. So there are some marine national parks. It is a national park consisting of the area of sea or lake conserved by government and its ecosystem, like Great Run of Kutch. So here is the difference between national park and wildlife sanctuary. National park is more restricted for general people, but sanctuary is not so much restricted. Without ticket we cannot enter in national parks, but in case of sanctuary it can be done. And national parks has a definite boundary, but sanctuary has no such boundaries, and general public cannot enter here, but in case of sanctuary general public can enter. So there are conservation reserve and community reserve. It provides a flexible system where the community reserves the area or the protected area. Also the culture of the community is reserved. In case of conservation reserve, management committee reserves the adjacent area of national park and wildlife sanctuary to protect the landscape or habitat. What is biosphere reserve? These are some natural biomes where unique combination of biodiversity exists, contain modified or degraded ecosystem. That is important point, that they contain modified or degraded ecosystem. The National Biosphere Reserve Program was launched in 1986. So what are the criteria of a biosphere reserve? It must have a core area which is protected and uninterrupted or undisturbed by people. It must contain some rare or endangered species. It must contain a buffer zone where human interruption can be done for research purpose. It has a transition zone where tribals' livelihood can be possible. Here is the picture. So what are biodiversity hotspot? The concept of hotspot was put forward by Norman Maier in 1988. It must contain 1500 species of vascular plant of endemic species. It must lost at least 70% of its original habitat. So there are four hotspots in India, that is the Himalaya, the Indo-Burma region, the Western Ghat and the Sundarban land. There are some biodiversity cold spot also, where the biodiversity is low but it has a high habitat loss. There is information that World Biodiversity Day is observed in 22 May. Thank you.